Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to combine postage on eBay. Let's begin. Now, if this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click on the register button and create your account. You can choose for the personal, business, or you can simply continue with your Google account, Facebook, or Apple. Just provide your full legal name, email address, and the password. But if you already have an account, you might want to log in using your credentials. And then, now, once you are logged in, you need to go to the your seller's dashboard. And from there, obviously, you have to go to the postage preferences. Now, basically, when a buyer purchases multiple items from you, you can save time and money by sending all their items in one package. All right, so the thing is, if you're planning to combine postage fees and if the buyer hasn't paid yet, what you can do is go here again and click on the postage settings. All right, now these are the options that you can do to make sure that you can send them an invoice with the new combined post. All right, so say for example, you're planning to exclude the postage location. Click on the edit button, and from here you can select all the exclude postage locations that you wanted from international, additional locations, PO box, or domestic. And once you've done that, just click on save. Now remember, as you can see here, allow combined payments and postage. Once you've reached that point, all you're gonna do is click on edit. As you can see, you will be given a new window wherein you can allow buyers to send one combined payment for all items purchased. And you also have a subsection wherein there's a time period to combine payments wherein there's like 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, 14 to 13. And when you click on the drop-down menu for more details, as you can see, there's more information wherein buyers can pay for multiple items at the same time with one payment when they check out. So you also have that option. You must accept combined payments to offer postage discounts, and the combined postage discounts apply only to items listed in the currency you select. And of course, you offer a postage discount for additional items, and changing the currency does not save or change the amount change. And when you're sure on that, all you're gonna do is click on allow buyers to send one combined payment for all items and click on save. All right, now that your preferences has been saved successfully, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.